My name is Vijay Jaswal. I'm the CTO for Middle East and Turkey for Software AG. Thank you. So 3 key areas. First is IoT, Internet of Things, so the ability to connect to devices. Second is the analytics, the ability to pull that information out and make sense out of it. And third is integration, integrating this detail into other parts of the organization. Basically, in a sentence, our technology is all about the connected enterprise, ensuring data flows fluently and seamlessly throughout an organization. So it's called the Future Disruptors Competition, where we've reached out to a number of different universities in the kingdom. It's a competition really, so we've trained these students in our IoT technology. They've come with 3 use cases, and we have a number of judges that come from our customers, such as Sadaya, etc. And tomorrow is going to be the results, and we're going to pick one as the winner, and we've got a lovely trophy. And they're going to be the future disruptor of the inaugural LEAP event this year. I think LEAP, a really important event. I mean, as you can see, it's so busy, so clearly it's of interest to the business population in the kingdom. We've spoken with a number of organizations already about how we can help make the lives better of the organization and their customers. I mean, at the end of the day, we've got a number of customers here, from Townia Insurance, to the Ministry of Tourism. As an example, how we make life better for people generally. Anyone entering the kingdom now goes through the e-visa portal. So the e-visa portal is underpinned by our technology. So I live in Dubai. When I used to come to the kingdom, they'd take my passport for 3 or 4 days to get a visa. Now you can get a visa within 15 minutes digitally. And not only that, you can also get health insurance as part of it. So during the application process, your details go to an insurance provider, and you get issued health insurance as well. And again, another great example of how we're connecting data across different organizations to make the lives of people better. We've had a lot of really interesting discussions. I think our technology, the connected enterprise type of technology that we have, it falls in line to the 2030 vision. Everything the kingdom is trying to do, making the lives of citizens and residents is better, analysing visibility of information across government and private sector. STC are, again, big customers of ours. So all of our technology helps a lot of these organisations, private sector, public sector, be more efficient, conduct their operations in a manner where it ensures good customer service. And I think that's really important in this day and age. For startup organizations, I think really important because we've spoken to a number of startup organizations from a partnership perspective. So we do partner with a number of, and there are many startups in the kingdom, and a lot of these startups are in key innovative areas such as IoT, machine learning, data analytics. So very, very important. It gives them a platform to speak about their capabilities and how they can help. We are 100% going to be here at LEAP next year, and I think LEAP next year is going to be bigger and better than this year.